If you want to make your X.com or Twitter account private, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. This is one of the best ways to control who can see your posts, approve followers manually, and add an extra layer of privacy to your account. So if you've been looking for a simple way to lock down your X profile, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser or the X app and log in to your Twitter or X account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation bar, find the More icon, which is usually shown as 3 dots. Click that to open the additional menu options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account controls are stored, including privacy settings, security options, and audience preferences. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account behaves publicly and what other people can do with your posts. Now look for the Audience and Tagging option. Tap or click that, and you'll see the setting you need. Here, you should find a switch or checkbox labeled Protect Your Posts. Turn that on to make your account private. When you enable this option, X will usually show a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure you want to protect your posts. Go ahead and click Protect to confirm your choice. Once that setting is enabled, your account will no longer be public. You should notice a lock icon appear next to your username on your profile. That lock means your posts are now private and only approved followers can see them. Here's what changes after you protect your posts. New people who want to follow you will need to send a follower request first. You can manually approve or deny each request, which gives you much more control over who sees your content. Also, only your approved followers will be able to view, interact with, or search for your post. And one more important thing, retweets are disabled for protected accounts, so your followers won't be able to share your post publicly. If you ever want to make your account public again, you can follow the same path and simply turn off Protect Your Posts. That gives you full control whether you want a private account or a public profile. So that's how to make your X or Twitter account private in a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.